How much should you actually spend on a drill press for metal work? Because you'll find some budget options that seem fine, but others are wildly overpriced. It's a bit interesting, and today we're breaking it down. Product number 1, Dremel Drill Press Rotary Tool. First up is the Dremel Drill Press Rotary Tool Workstation Stand. Priced at $44.97, this compact tool immediately caught my attention with its versatility. If you want a mini press that handles both perpendicular and angled holes, this is worth a serious look. This means you can tackle a variety of projects, whether you're polishing metal or grinding different shapes. It fits multiple Dremel rotary tools too, which is handy if you already own one. With a 2-inch depth and a height adjustable from 16 to 29 inches, it's surprisingly flexible for such a small unit. Plus, the built-in depth markings help ensure your consistency with every project. Now, some users reported that the setup can be a bit tricky and the stability isn't perfect for heavy-duty use. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily doing light to medium tasks, this shouldn't be a deal-breaker for you. This is perfect for you if you're new to metalworking or need a portable solution. Skip this one if you're looking for something heavy-duty, but for its price, it's a steal and very reliable. Now, if that last product's limited depth bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, VEVOR Magnetic Drill Press. Next up, we have the VEVOR Magnetic Drill Press at $188.90. This one grabbed my attention because of its powerful 1400W motor. If you need serious drilling performance, this is a solid contender. With a drilling capacity of up to 2 inches and an adjustable speed range of 0-800 RPM, it's built for both precision and power. The magnetic base offers a staggering 2810 lbf of holding force, which means you can work on vertical or sloped metal surfaces without worrying about stability. You also get 10 speed settings, which is great for adapting to different materials and tasks. That consistency and precision are crucial, especially for industrial applications or home improvement projects. However, it's worth noting that some users found the weight of the machine a bit cumbersome for transport. But honestly, if you're working in a fixed location, that's not really a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a serious DIYer or a professional needing reliable equipment. Skip this one if you need something ultra-portable. For its capabilities, it's a great investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for a budget-conscious buyer. Product number 3, Wen 2.3 amp 8-inch drill press. Moving on, we have the Wen 2.3 amp 8-inch drill press, which is priced at $104. Right off the bat, the compact design and solid ratings caught my eye. If you're looking for a reliable benchtop drill press without breaking the bank, this is a promising option. It features a 2.3A induction motor with an 8-inch swing and 2-inch spindle travel. That means it's capable of handling a variety of tasks while remaining user-friendly. Operating at 5 different speeds, from 750 to 3200 RPM, you can adjust based on your project needs. Plus, the height-adjustable worktable offers a lot of versatility, allowing you to bevel up to 45 degrees. It's perfect for precise drilling across different materials. However, some reviews mention that the motor could struggle with tougher metals. Here's the thing though, for general use in softer materials, it performs admirably, and for the price, you're getting a reliable tool. This is perfect for you if you're starting out or need a dependable drill press for home projects. Skip this one if you're focused on heavy-duty metalworking, but overall, it's a great value. Now, if you're still looking for something even more compact, the next option might be right up your alley. Product number 4, Wen 4208T Drill Press. The Wen 4208T 2.3 amp drill press is next, priced at $109. This model is similar to the previous one, but comes with some additional features that are worth discussing. If you need a bit more flexibility for your projects, this could be the one. Operating at 5 speeds ranging from 740 to 3140 RPM, it allows for fine-tuning based on your project requirements. The height-adjustable worktable is another plus, giving you the ability to handle different angles easily. Now, some users felt that the construction could be sturdier. But honestly, if you're working with lighter materials or at home, this shouldn't hinder your experience too much. Skip this one if you need a heavy-duty solution, but it's a solid option for most casual users. Next up, if you're looking for something even smaller and more portable, the last pick might just fit the bill. Product number 5, Novel Life Mini Drill Press. Finally, we have the Novel Life Mini Drill Press priced at $79.99. This caught my eye because it's designed with portability and precision in mind. If you need something compact for smaller projects, this is worth considering. The upgraded structure includes a solid metal build, which minimizes vibrations for accurate drilling. The compact size means it won't take up much space in your workshop, and it's perfect for DIY jewelry making or crafts. However, some users mention that it may not be suited for larger metal pieces. Here's the thing, if you're mostly working on smaller projects or softer materials, it's actually a fantastic tool. This is perfect for you if you're working on detailed projects or have limited space. Skip this one if you need a full-fledged drill press for heavy-duty work, but for its price, it's a great little machine. So to wrap things up, we've got the Dremel for portable tasks, the VEVOR for serious power, the WEN 4206T and 4208T for great benchtop options, and the Novel Life for compact needs. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so consider what suits your projects best.